Hi, we are Team Tornado X. I'm Shahriar.
And I'm Tawhid.
Today we are going to show you one of our developed software project.
The name of our project is Perceptual Composer. Basically, it is a music loop-based
Digital Audio Workstation.
Digital Audio Workstation. So it has all the features of a regular Digital Audio Workstation, but the only thing that makes it different from the other softwares is that it's totally gesture-based. So meaning that you don't have to use any mouse or keyboard to control it. So I think this is a very innovative way to interact with the computer, and the novice user can really enjoy and have fun.
Right.
Exactly, have fun creating music with that software.
Right. As you can see, this user interface is pretty simple. The top part has all the volume levels and pan levels shown with those strips. Currently this prototype has 7 preset tracks, starting from drums, bass up to leads and pianos. That underneath each track's volume, you can see that there are some indicators. There's currently one indicator that the 7 indicators shows that what are the states. Currently, on none of those, only one track is selected and not playing, but all the track is not. They're inactive. So let's just start.
Before that, let me just add one thing. So the vertical bars are the volume,
right,
and the horizontal bars are the pan.
Yeah, right. So let's start with the rhythm track. Let's select it by swiping to the left. As you can see that the indicators. Okay, the indicator has changed right now from red to green because it's being played. Let's change the variation of this one by swiping up. See, it has actually changed to the next variation by swiping up. By swiping down, it should do the same thing. Okay, yeah, actually it's just working. And one thing you can notice here, this hasn't actually started immediately just because we have implemented this feature in a way that users don't have to keep track of the counts. This will be synced automatically. You'll get to know this when we'll add some more tracks to it. Let's just stop it and then.
So before that, let me show you how to stop it.
Just by showing thumb down, you can stop a track. So let's start some more tracks
have been stopped.
and show you how we can actually have fun by building a music here.
So pad is on.
See, that has turned on, and the arpeggio will turn on. See, it's turned on with sync. So let's turn on the lead also. The volume I can see here, it's a little low. So let's turn the volume up. Now he has shown the V, which means that you are in the mixing mode, not in the arrange mode. So by swiping up, he's actually turning the volume up, and he can do the same by turn the volume down by swiping down. But now let's pan this in the center. It's actually on the right here. That's more like it. So we would like to accept this setting. So we can thumb up. Right.
It turns to green and means that it's done.
So we have now 4 tracks being played. So in that way you can build your own music and.
Yeah. So let's start all of the music to have a feeling how it works.
Right. Now the bass and the drums will be added. Finally the drums. Alright. So you can turn it off one by one. But we can also exit them by just pressing escape.
So I'm gonna turn off all the sounds now. So now only the drums and the
bass is being played. So
now everything is off.
Yeah. So that's it for the demo. And
yeah. So this was our demo
prototype.
software, and this was a prototype, and this is the final version we have. Now we have a plan to enhance it. So the next feature we are going to add is the recording feature. The user will be able to record their own song and share it with the family and friends.
Yeah. And one thing to mention here is that those recorded songs will actually be exported into the regular MP3s or waves. So
exactly.
It can be played anywhere in any operating systems.
And secondly, we are going to add more sounds to it, more presets to it, so that the user can have more variation. And
currently there is only 20 odd loops, so we can add more. And then another interesting part we are going to add is a virtual instrument, and people will be able to use, create sounds using using gestures. That virtual instruments will be played live, along with those other tracks. And finally, we will also give the users the capability to add their own audio files as loops. So they will be able to produce any kind of music they like. So
So I think that's all.
that's all, and thanks for watching.
Yeah, thanks.